All right, now just look at this. $500. Can you see that? Look at that again. $500. So I woke up this morning to a $500 commission paid straight to my PayPal account. Can you see that? So this is amazing. You can even look at the date, right? So you can see the date. So when I woke up, I checked my email and I found that I've already received a commission of $500. Look, if you are brand new to affiliate marketing or online business, you will not get it, right? Because you see, you can actually make money online even while you are sleeping. You can wake up and you've already made money. And it shocks some people how simple it is, but it is simple, okay? Once you have the right setup, you can start earning income online, okay? And that is why you can see that I was able to make $500 once I woke up in the morning, guys. It's amazing. And look, in this video, I'm going to show you the program to join and how you too can start earning income consistently online. Let me quickly show you one of those products. Let me quickly show you some other commissions that I have been earning online. So let's quickly come here. So look at this. Let it just load. I just want to show you that that is not the only amount of money I earn online. Look at commissions like this that I also get. $600 to my Stripe account. Okay, let me show you more. Look at this. $900 commission to my Stripe account. Let's look at this. Another $900 commission to my Stripe account. Let's check some more. This is $1,150 in commission paid to my PayPal account. Let's check another one. This is a $621 paid to my PayPal account. This is a $100 commission paid to my PayPal account. This is a $300 commission paid to my PayPal account. And then this is another $900 commission paid to my Stripe account. Then this is a $2,000 commission paid to my Wise account. This is a $1,000 commission paid to my Wise account. This is a $1,500 commission paid to my Wise account. And then this is another $900 commission, another $900 commission, another $900 commission. And when you check this $900 commission, at the bottom, you are going to see a program called the Legacy Builders Program. All right. So now this is the Legacy Builders Program. That this is what it is, right? Now, it's an awesome program, okay? Is an online interactive training program that if you decide to promote it, pays you $900. It's so powerful, right? It's an amazing program, and you can see in the program you will be able to learn the daily pay blueprint that pays you 100% profit, daily pay, and you also learn how to earn recurring income. So it's an awesome program, and there are so many people in the program. Let me show you some of our members in the program that are making good amount of money with the Legacy Builders Program. Now look at this. This is our community. It's called the Digital Growth Community, and you can see how many members we have already. 49,000 members. So we're almost rushing fast to 50,000. I'm going to quickly log into the community right now. All right, so I've just logged in. So I'm going to go straight to the community. And then I'm going to go to the wins, okay? Now, I want you to see this amazing program, how people are making money. Look at Ricardo. $1,800 made in 1 hour. Which other program can you make money like that? $1,800 made in 1 hour. Let's check another person. Look at Jessica. $4,500 made in 1 day. It's amazing, right? Let's check other people. Elizabeth made $600 just some few hours ago. Let's check some more people. It's really amazing the way so many people in our community keep making money. Look at this. Darrell, $1,400 made this morning, guys. It's powerful. Just this morning. So you can see that the Legacy Builders program is actually changing lives. People are able to earn $900 over and over again, just like me, right? You can see that $900 Legacy Builders program, $900 Legacy Builders program, $900 Legacy Builders program. So look, if you are looking for a program to join and promote, even if you are brand new, the Legacy Builders program is the best. Why? Let's go to my notes so that I explain a little bit about the Legacy Builders program. Now, what is the Legacy Builders program? This is a interactive online training program, just like I told you, where you are going to learn how to start an online business and how to build it up. You're also going to learn how to get customers to your online business. Then don't forget, this is a high ticket program because you are able to earn unlimited $900 commission. This is better than promoting products that just pay you $10, right? So if you are thinking of making $900 sale for a $10 program, that means you will need 90 sales. 90. That's a lot. But with the Legacy Builders program, you only need one sale to make $900. 2 sales, 1,008, and you keep doing the math like that, right? It's powerful. And look, when you are paid instantly. You don't have to wait for 1 week, 2 weeks before you get your money. Once you get a sale, you are paid instantly, all right? And straight to your bank account. Okay, it's powerful. And then there are no monthly fees. So you don't have to worry about paying monthly fees when you join the Legacy Builders program and you are promoting the program. You don't have to worry about monthly fees at all, okay? Now, how am I promoting the Legacy Builders program? So I am using a free marketing system called the Super Affiliate Funnel, okay? Now, this is the Super Affiliate Funnel, okay? And it's free of charge to use the free funnel. And that is what I am using to promote the Legacy Builders program and earn commissions with it, all right? It's so powerful, isn't it? Now, why am I using this program? Why am I using the Super Affiliate Funnel to promote Legacy Builders program? Because the Super Affiliate Funnel does all the hard work for me. So it does 95% of the work. The only work I am doing is just sharing my link, okay? Now, the Super Affiliate Funnel, one, it builds my email list. And if you know the meaning of email list, it just means your list of customers. And with the Super Affiliate Funnel, you will be able to build a large email list. Let me show you how this system build my list. So let's go to my Gmail account and I'm just going to do a little search for you. So it's loading, just be patient with it. All right, now you can see when I share my link, What you notice, a lot of people are going to join me in the super affiliate funnel, just like this. And you can see a lot of people joining me. So as these people join me in the super affiliate funnel, they are added to my email list. Okay, and you know, the bigger your email list, the more money you make. So the super affiliate funnel helps automatically builds my email list, and once it has built my email list, I can now promote other products to my email list. Okay, now let me show you just a little bit of the other products that I am promoting to my email list. Now look at this. Now this product is called the HBA. If you look here, you see this is my account, and look at how much I've made so far with promoting this product to my email list. Look at that. $32,549. Can you see that? $32,549. And when you look down here, you are going to see the way the sales have been coming in. Okay, and not only that, when you check commission, you are going to see the way I have been getting some commissions with this program. It's amazing. Look at that. $20, $20, $20, $20, $100, $20, $20, $100, $20. Can you see the way I make money with this program? Because I am promoting this product to my email list. It's amazing, right? Just think about it. $32,549. Another product that I'm promoting to my email list is this other program. It's called the OLSP system, and as you can see, I'm already at $8,300 because I am promoting this product to my email list. Let's check another product. This product is called Got Backup. Okay, and this is my account here, and look at how much I've made already with it. $2,247. So I'm able to promote all these products to my email list because I'm using the super affiliate funnel. Okay, just like I said, the first thing this marketing system does for you is, one, it builds your email list. Two, it automatically follows up with your customers. So look, it follows up with your customers by X-ray, by email. Okay, so it follows up with your customers by email, by video, and also by webinar. You don't have to do anything. It just does that for you. So it's so powerful a system. Then number three, it automatically closes sales for you. So you don't have to do any telling, selling. You don't have to tell anybody or sell anything to anybody. This system automatically closes legacy builder sale for you. So how do you like it? Right? It's awesome. So if you want to get started with the legacy builders program and also use the marketing system for free, all you need to do is this. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the legacy builders program and the super affiliate funnel. Okay, so go ahead, click that first link. Now once you click the first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Now all you have to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So let me show you how it's done. So just type in your first name and then type in your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says click here to join. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Now once you click the yellow button, that will bring you to this super affiliate funnel website. Now all you have to do, just go ahead, watch this video here. You see that? After watching the video, you scroll down till you get to this page where it says get started now. Okay, and look at the price for the marketing system, 0. no cost. So it's free of charge, just like I told you, right? So what you want to do, just see where it says start here, click on it, then fill up all your details here. Then make sure you check this box that says I'm not a robot. Check it, and then okay, so you check that box, and then you click on create my account. All right, once you do that, your own super affiliate funnel marketing system will be created for free. All right, now once you get here, go straight to income stream number 4. So let's scroll down. Number 1, income stream 1, income stream 2, income stream 3, then income stream number 4. Because income stream number 4 is the Legacy Builders program. All right, so once you get to income stream number 4, you see this where it says tutorial. Go ahead, click on that. Now watch the tutorial. Once you are done, then you see where it says join the Legacy Builders program here. You see the yellow button? Go ahead, click that yellow button. That will now bring you to this page, okay? Now, all you need to do to join the Legacy Builders program, you see where it says yes, get access to Legacy Builders program. Go ahead, click on that. So once you click on that, you will see where it says $900 Legacy Builders program, because this program only costs you only $900. One-time payment, no monthly fees. You're only paying one time $900. So you just fill up your details here and make your payment, and also pay $29 also for your website fee, okay? So that your website will be set up, will be created. So if in all you are just paying $929. Is that not so simple? One-time payment, no monthly fees. And once you do that, you will now be part of the Legacy Builders program, and you will be qualified to earn unlimited $900 commission, guys. Unlimited. So this is amazing, and this is so good for even brand new beginners. All right, so guys, if you want to get started with my team in the Legacy Builders program, one, I'm offering you free one-on-one training, free one-on-one mentoring, and free one-on-one coaching. All right, so I'm going to work with you, assist you in any way that I can if you are a member of our team. Okay, and if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, the most important thing, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.